E-waste in healthcare industry and its management. Significant advance in healthcare technology have improved patient diagnosis and treatment of diseases. For this, doctors largely depend on medical equipment to treat patients. As these devices reach the end of their useful lives, they add to the growing. The main source of e-waste in the healthcare system can be categorized into several types. Biomedical equipment, diagnostic equipment, MRI machine, CT scanners, X-ray machines, plus oximeters, automatic
Therapeutic equipment, infusion pumps, nebulizers, dialysis machine, ventilators, traction units, infrared lamps, nerve and muscle stimulators, and electrosurgical machines. Analytical equipment, blood analyzer, electronic microscope, centrifuges, spectrometers, colorimeters, intensive care equipment, defibrillators, ECG machine, ultrasound machines, magnets used in MRI portable.
used for patient information in visual form. Recorders such as ECG, EEG, EMG, and heart rate, printers and fax machines, batteries from various electrical devices, electronic compounds from various devices, printed circuit boards, capacitors, resistors, industry sensors, light emit diodes, replace switches.
For e-waste management, we can prevent the ever-generating e-waste from ending up in landfills by removing it from the waste stream and incorporating it into art work through e-waste art. Awareness about electronic waste and its environment impact is
This creates electronics. There are artists and designers who see the potential in e-waste and transform it into unique and striking art. Vishwanath Devgiri Malabandi is one of the such artists based on Bangalore, India. Vishwanath has been religious for
of the past many years and has hundreds of such uses voltage or devices, computers, parts, mobile phones, and keyboards to create sculptures and other art pieces. He even recreated Van Gogh's The Starry Night, made using a resistors. By upcycling e-waste, he aims to merge green creativity and eco-friendly
Electronic waste and its importance of the environment. Today's artists through e-waste are urge individual and a business to adopt sustainable practices and a proper electronic waste disposal methods, thus by the promoting responsible recycling.
Future by reducing waste, art contributes to the more sustainable future. Reducing the amount of electronic waste that ends up landfills, we all can also turn artist by converting unless motherboards, CPU, EPROMs, SMD, radial capacitors, laptop LED displays, motherboards, PCB boards.
Talking about e-waste, it is nothing but the waste generated by disposing electronic products which are not of any use of e.g. discharge batteries, CRT tubes, mobile phones, etc. Such wastes harm the human health and environment if not properly disposed of. India stands third in e-waste generation, producing around.
E-waste contains over 1,000 toxic materials which contaminate the soil and groundwater. Exposure to such toxic materials will definitely have adverse effect on human health, such as headache, nausea, eye pain, etc. While people involved in informal recycling process may suffer liver, kidney, neurological disorders, etc. Lack of research.
Is explained to be much more than what it is now. With the help of such research, there would be much less environmental and health hygiene, which in turn defined everyone. Our
regulation more and the more required and attractive driven to with and the ETS management complexion and the reflection from one's promoting dispersion of the
The complexity of the process, electronic devices are composed of various types of materials, including metals, plastics, and glass, which is needed to be separated and processed separately. which is a complex and costly process. In many cases, it's cheaper to dispose e-waste in landfills than to recycle it. High cost of setting up and recycling facilities. Advanced recycling